Hello, this is what you see when you open a bitpaper link. So you can see here there's a video that we can play.
Looking for a cutting-edge collaborative whiteboard? Meet bitpaper. Start collaborating by sharing the URL and communicate through audio and video calls. Simply drag and drop images onto the board and annotate them with text and shapes. Or cut and paste images from any document or web page. Create additional boards to maximize your work area. Use hotkeys to switch tools, boards, and undo with ease. When you have finished, export to PDF to create shareable resources at the click of a button. Or save your paper to continue working on it later. The whiteboard never slows down and works across multiple devices. bitpaper, the ultimate collaborative whiteboard.
Okay, so that's bitpaper. So again, we can see that the call button is here. So in order to join a call, we just need to sign up with our Gmail account or any email account. So once you have this, there's the option to toggle the microphone on and off. Also, if you want to join the video, just open this, just like this one. Or if you don't want, it's fine. So just toggle it off. So if you want to share your screen, just click this toggle screen sharing. You can see. And you can see, or you can choose what screen you want to share. So for example, you want the entire screen. Let's just use this. Just click share. So you can see it's shareable. So there you go. It's just a chain. So to toggle off the screen sharing, just click this one. And if you want this back in the pane, so we just drag it there. Then if you have homework stuff or any handout that you want to do, you can send it to me. Then I can just paste it from here. So if, for example, you sent me this problem and this is your homework, I can just copy it, then I can paste it in the file and we can work on this one. So take note, this is collaborative, so we can both write on the screen. So for example, let's just say hello to answer this, blah blah blah. So that's it. So if we want to create a new paper, well, I'm gonna do it for you. I'm just gonna click this one. So if we can create more and more papers. So all you have to do is access the link on bitpaper, join the call button, then I will guide you from there